In today's video, I will walk you through how to find uncleared checks in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged into your account, go to the Reports section on the left-hand side of the QuickBooks Online interface. Click Reports to open the Reports page. Once you're on the Reports page, select the Standard Reports tab. This will display the available predefined reports. In the search bar within the Standard Reports section, type Check Detail. Select the Check Detail report to run it. If the report appears empty, adjust the report period to match the time frame for which you want to view the checks. Set the report period to the dates you need, then review the results. Once the correct report period is set, the report will display a list of your checks. To find the checks that have not cleared, use the filter options on the report page. Locate the Cleared column in the filter options. Set the filter to Equals, then select Uncleared. Apply the filter to update the report. QuickBooks will now display only the checks that are marked as uncleared. Review the filtered list to see the checks that have not yet cleared. If you need to change the date range, adjust the report period and review the results again. Make sure the Cleared filter remains set to Equals and Uncleared, so the report continues to show only the checks you need. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.